Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix fast charging not working on your Samsung Tab A11. So here we have our tablet, and if your fast charging is not working, then what you guys can do is check the cable and the charger for compatibility. So if you have a charger on you, and basically all you have to do with it is go over, plug it in, test another device to see if the fast charging is working. If not, then maybe it's because your tablet does not support the same charger. I would recommend using the original charger, and basically the cable and the charger, make sure that it's original, because it's the best way to charge any device, and not only the Samsung Tab, but every single device that you have. And what you guys can do next is clean the charging port with a non-metallic tool, because sometimes when it's just stuffed with, let's say, dirt, debris, or practically anything else, and it's dirty, it can block the connection, and even though your tablet is charging, then it won't reach full speeds. So here we have it. It's on the right side, or basically on the downside. So this is how we hold the tablet. Now it's on the right side right here, and you guys can easily clean it with a soft brush or by using the air compressor, but I recommend using a soft brush. It's much better. Now what you guys can do is get another fast charger that you know is fast charging any other device, and test it with the tablet. If it doesn't work, then maybe use a different outlet. So there are a couple of ways. You guys can test a different outlet, you guys can test another fast charger, you guys can check the cables and the chargers. And as a last resort, what we're going to do is we're going to update our software, because sometimes we can have charging glitches or charging bugs on our device without even knowing it, and the software update can fix those things. So let's go over to the settings. And right here in the settings, we need to scroll down until we see the software update. So it's at the bottom, we need to scroll all the way down, and it's on the last section right up top. Now let's click on download and install, and it's checking for updates automatically. As you guys can see, I'm running the latest version of my software. It's up to date. My One UI is 7.0 and my Android version is 15. So that means everything's good. Now, if you're not running the latest version of your software update, then you will have a button at the bottom to update it. So first download, and then it will install automatically. But if you have a slow internet, it might take up to 1 hour of your time. Or if you have a faster internet, then it will take from 10 to 20 minutes max. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.